Are you familiar with the different modes of ventilator support? In a medical setting, ventilators can be used in various modes to provide different levels of support for patients with respiratory issues. Some common modes include assist control ventilation, pressure support ventilation, and sinker. On-iced intermittent, mandatory ventilation. Each mode has specific settings and parameters that can be adjusted based on the patient's needs. Understanding these modes is crucial for healthcare professionals to provide the best care for their patients.